Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create the super cool Hitchcock doll animations using just one photo. And yes, it's completely free using an AI tool called PixVerse. This effect will give that dramatic camera zoom illusions where the background moves opposite to the subject, kind of like those movie shots that makes everything look cinematic and intense. And okay, let's jump right in. First, just open your PixVerse. You can access it directly from your browser, or if you prefer, you can choose or you can open the mobile versions like this. And then next, once it's open, just log in using your Google account. And don't worry, PixVerse will give you a free credits every day so you can generate animations without paying anything. After logging in, you will land on the home page like this, and then just go to templates, and then just look for the template called Hitchcock Dolly animations. This template is designed to recreate the famous cinematic zoom effect automatically using AI. You can just search it by type in the search bar like this. This one, just tap on it, and then tap on use template, and then just choose your photo. Make sure your photo is clear and centered so the AI can focus on properly. And after that, just tap on generate. And then go to mine. And okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. And okay, like this, in just a few moments, PixVerse will turn your still image into a moving Hitchcock style Dolly animations. And okay, that's it. Your cinematic Hitchcock Dolly effect is ready. Next, you can download it or just share it into your social media. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, to hit the don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.